I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host. Launch Minecraft Java with your primary account and open the world to LAN so it accepts a local connection. Next, install Parsec and sign in. Parsec gives you a virtual client session and forwards controller or keyboard input. Configure Parsec to allow local loopback connections and enable controller mapping. Once done, make sure your host Minecraft window is active and Parsec is running in the background to accept a second player connection. Now bring in the second player. Either open another Minecraft client with a separate account or use Parsec to spawn a secondary session that connects to the host. On the Parsec client, connect to your host machine via the local loopback. This streams a second view and accepts input. Map the second controller or keyboard inside Parsec so inputs go to the streamed client. Once connected, you'll see two windows or two-player views. Adjust display size so both players share the screen comfortably. Finish by sizing windows for a split-screen layout. Place the host window and the Parsec window side by side or use a stretched single-screen arrangement. Make sure each player has a dedicated input device and set Minecraft video to lower render distance and V-sync off to reduce lag. If you experience stutter, reduce the Parsec streaming resolution, switch to wired network, or lower in-game graphics. These fixes address bandwidth and CPU bottlenecks. If connection fails, restart Parsec, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.